Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Capcut PC here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Capcut PC here. So example, I have a video here and I'm going to add a green screen video here. So for example, I have a green screen video. I'm just going to drag and drop it here, and which is a subscribe button video here. So if I just drag it and drop on the timeline here, as you can see, my video is on the timeline. So to remove the green screen here, what you need to do is just click on this green screen video here, and in the right corner you will have the basic option here, and also you will have an option called remove background here. So just click on it and remove BG, and you just have to choose the Chroma Key option here. Click on the Chroma Key, and here you will find the option called color picker here with the pen tool. So just click on it, and you just have to choose the color of the video here what you need to remove here. So of course I want to delete the green color here, so just click on it, and as you can see the green color is chosen, and you just have to remove the or higher the intensity here. So if I just higher the intensity, as you can see the green screen is removed. So if I just play a video here, so still some of the greenish vibe is there, so you just have to also make higher of the intensity here, and you can also add some shadow here. So if I just choose 50-50 here for both, and if I now play the video here, so that's it guys, this is look pretty good here. So this is how you can remove the green screen video in Capcut PC here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.